Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in our today video, we will be providing you the information regarding how you can earn these top 5 Coursera certification uh, free of cost. So these courses are free of cost, and in this video we will be telling whole procedure and process for you to how to participate in this certification. In this video we will be telling something about Coursera, then what are the different profile certification you will get from the Coursera. And as you know, Coursera is a big brand, and if you have the certification from the Coursera, then you doesn't want any more certification to prove your technical skill. So it will be a great opportunity for you for completing the certification. Before starting the video, make sure you have subscribed to our channel so that we can get 1K subscriber on YouTube in just 2 months. So provide some love and support to our channel by just subscribing to it. And from a stat, we get to know that our 93% of viewers are not subscribing our channel. So kindly subscribe our channel. It is a humble request to those who have not subscribed our channel. And like the video and share the video to those friends whosoever is looking for these top certification from the Coursera. And if you have any additional doubt that we left in this video, just comment to this video. We will be happy to sort out all your doubt. Now moving to our certification. So before telling something about certification, I will be wanna to tell you about Coursera. So Coursera is an American company that started at 2012, and from that date to now, they are providing free of course certification, and it will be of something about it will be a beginner friendly and flexible schedule, and it will be degree level course for you. It might take months or like half of year, but after completing this certification, you get advanced level of knowledge from this certification. Now, now for the Coursera insight, just you can go to Google and search Coursera and search all about its ability and what are the changes it has make in the technical market. Now moving to our certification. So our first certification is Python data structures. So it will be provided by the University of Michigan. So it will be a beginner level, and it will be 18 hours of course that is enough for you to get all the advanced topic of Python data structures. Now it will be enrolled for you free of cost, and about 1 lakh students are already enrolled to this. That is a great. So you can also go and check it out. Then you get 5 assessment quizzes along with a shareable certificate that you can share it to on your social media platform to showcase your abilities. Now this type of certificate you will get from the Coursera. So there will be 7 modules about these. All the required link of these courses will be provided you in the description. You just have to go and check it out all the courses. Now these are the major topic which you will be getting to know about in this certification, like tuple, dictionary, list, files, and strings in data. So you can go and you can also check it out these recommended courses for you. Leaving it out, we will be talking about only the top 5 Coursera certification. So it is a 4.9 rating. So that is good enough for you to apply for this certification. Now moving to our second certification that is provided by big MNC, that is Google, and it is a technical support fundamental, and it will be a 26 hour of course, which is enough for you to apply for this certification, and it has the 4.8 rating with 97% of thumbs up, and it will be again a flexible beginner level course, and it is a flexible schedule. You can go anytime, go and complete this certification. So instructor will be Google Career Certification. So Google will provide a good good knowledgeable content in this certification, and about 1.7 lakh students have already enrolled to this. So now there will be 15 quizzes and 4 assessment, and a shareable link you will get from this certification. And these are the major topic which you will be taught in this certification, like hardware, network. So certification will be taught in this course. So it will be a good opportunity for you to go and participate for this certification. Now moving to our third certification, that is provided by University of Michigan. So it will be a successful negotiator essential strategies and skill. So it will be again a 17-hour of course, and it will be again a beginner level and flexible schedule. Whenever you have a time, you can complete this certification, and it comes with 4.8 rating. That is good enough for you to enroll to this certification. So it is a free of cost, and about 1.5 lakh students are already enrolled and enjoying this type of content. Now there will be 5 quizzes for you and with a shareable link, and it will be a career certification for this. Now these are the major topics in which you will be get a detailed knowledge. Now these the main topics are like plan your negotiator strategy, use key tactics for the success, create a contract, and the end game. So it will be a good opportunity for you to go and check out this certificate. Now our fourth certification is provided by Stanford, and writing in the science. So it will be again a 30-hour course for you to get deep into writing in the science, and it will be a beginner level course, and it will be a flexible schedule. You can, whenever you get a time, you can go and check it out. It comes about 50,000 students have already enrolled for this, and with a rating of 4.9, it stands long to the career certification, and 8 quizzes are there, and there will be a shareable link for you, a shareable certificate for you, that you can showcase your abilities. Now these are the major topics, you can go and check it out. Moving to our third certification, that is Introduction to the Cyber Attack, that is provided by Tender School of Engineering, and it will be 18 hour of long course, and it will be again beginner level. With it comes about 4.7 rating and 93% of thumbs up. About 95,000 students already enrolled and enjoying this certification. There will be 8 quizzes and shareable certificate for you. These are the major topic that will be learned in this courses, like Introduction to Security Risks. And now all the required link will be provided you in the description box, just you can go and check it out. Now this is if you have any additional doubt, you can just comment to this video, and we will be happy to sort out all your doubt. Like and share the video to those whosoever is looking for this type of top 5 Coursera certification, and subscribe to our channel for getting us 1K subscriber on YouTube. And this is all about this video. I will catch you in my next video. Till then, thanks for watching. Have a good day.